Somat is a leading innovator for both engineering and production of waste handling systems used throughout the world. Introducing the EcoRect by Somat. This unique system turns compostable waste into a soil amendment, having a zero effect on the environment. EcoRect is an automated on-site system that efficiently decomposes compostable waste without using any microorganisms, enzymes, or additives. It requires an electrical connection and condensate drain only. No venting or fresh water connections required. The EcoRect is capable of processing food waste, cardboard, and compostable disposables, and can be easily managed by one person. The system heats up, killing any bacteria, while decomposing and deodorizing the content. No venting is needed because the heat is effectively recycled to minimize energy consumption. During the process, the agitators stir the waste, converting it into small particles. The EcoRect has no freshwater consumption because the EcoRect effectively recycles the condensate runoff that is generated through the decomposition process. The recycled water is used to control the humidity during processing. After the process is complete, the waste is reduced to as much as 83 to 93% of the original input. The end product is a high-quality soil amendment that can be utilized on the grounds of your facility or given to employees for use in home landscaping. The only maintenance needed is the air filtration screens located at the top of the unit for easy access. Simply remove the screens, rinse off, and replace. For high-volume output, pulping may be desired prior to the processing through the EcoRect. A Somat pulper can reduce the waste volume by 80%, dramatically increasing the capacity of the EcoRect. After additional processing through the EcoRect, a 70% further weight reduction is achieved, as well as 55% further volume reduction. There are 5 models of the EcoRect to fit any need, processing waste volumes from 60 pounds to 3,300 pounds per cycle. Other systems need special plumbing, continuous water, replenishment of microorganisms, and biofilters. The EcoRect eliminates all of those needs. The result is savings on energy, supplies, hauling costs, and labor. Zero effect on the environment is the EcoRect way. Call now for more information or visit our website